Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to connect your Hostinger domain to your Shopify store in just a few easy steps, whether you are setting up your first store or switching domain providers. This guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in. Log into your Shopify admin panel, go to settings, then domains. Click connect existing domain. Enter your Hostinger domain here, like myshop.com, and click next. Shopify will show you the DNS records you need to set up. A record points to Shopify IP like 23.227.38.65. CNAME record points www to shops.myshopify.com. Keep this DNS value handy. We will now head over to Hostinger and set them up. Log into your Hostinger account. From the dashboard, go to Domains, click Manage to Next. Click Domains and click Manage next to the domain you want to connect. Under DNS or name server settings, choose DNS zone. Locate and edit the existing record or add a new one. If a record already exists, just replace its ID. Just replace its IP address with Shopify's ID. Update a record. Type a host points to 23.227.38.65 TTL. Leave default. Save, update or add CNAME record. Type CNAME name www points to shops.myshopify.com TTL default and save. This tells the domain where to direct traffic straight to your Shopify store. Go back to Shopify settings and click domains. Click on the domain you entered earlier from here. Hit verify connection. Shopify will now check the DNS changes. This usually takes a few minutes, but in some cases, in some cases, it could take up to 24 hours depending on DNS propagation. Once your domain is verified, go back to the domain space, set it as next to set as primary domain next to your Hostinger domain. Now your store will show your custom domain instead of the default myshopify.com address, and much more professional. SSL certificate is automatically activated by Shopify. No extra work needed. Always make sure to renew your domain yearly in Hostinger and to keep your store live. Use Shopify's domain redirection tool to ensure www and not www both work. And that's how you connect your Hostinger domain to your Shopify store in 2025. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.